Love is not about how much you say I love you, but how much you can prove that it's true. Love is about being present, listening when they need to talk, holding their hand through tough time, and celebrating with them through good times. It's about making sacrifices and putting their needs above your own. Not out of obligation, but because their happiness brings you joy. Love is not just words. Your actions will always speak louder. Loving you is not just a feeling. It's a commitment, a promise, and the most important decision I've ever made. I chose you now and always. But now that you came into my life, you mean so much to me. You're the last thing I want to lose. You're the thought I wake up to, and the thought I fall asleep to. You make me feel so happy and cared for. If you thought differently, well, you're wrong. I want you to keep in my life for as long as possible. I love you and make sure you don't forget that. If there were no words, no way to speak, for you, babe, happy third mansari sa ating dalawa. Thankful ako dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko kasi andyan ka palagi tuwing may mga problema ako. Parati man tayo nag-aaway pero hindi tayo sumusuko. May mga pagsubok man sa ating relasyon, pareho nating haharapin yan. Babe, mahal kita at mamahalin kita sa paraang alam ko. Sorry kung minsan naging pasaway ako sa'yo at sinusuway ko yung mga ayaw mong gawin ko. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa akin, babe, at hindi ka magbabago. Iintindihin mo ko at mamahalin mo ko. I love you, babe. Happy third mansari.